Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So it's been a while since I posted my last video. It's because I went on a vacation, and this coming days I'll be posting some of my videos. So it's a break from guns and gun stuff. But today I'm gonna show you a deal that I got yesterday. I passed by my local Walmart and saw this knife. It's a Gerber knife, and it's sitting. They have this knife stand, and it says $5.97, and there's another one that says 54 bucks. So I asked the clerk to get the $5.97, and I said I would like to take a look at it. They're the same actually. And then he asked me if I want it. I said, how much is it? And then he looked at the price tag of the stand. It says $5.97. It's going to be a miracle if Gerber is selling this for $5.97. So he was looking for any, what do you call this, barcode within the knife itself or outside. But he can't find one, so he looked for Gerber boxes and found this, and it rang $7. I think he gave up looking for the right box for this, and he said, "Oh, I'll just give it for $5.97." Okay, so I'll take it. And then when I got home, I looked it up online, and this is the item. Yep. And it is 54 bucks. So that's one heck of a deal. I always get a good deal from Walmart. So, yep. $5.97. Yeah. So like I said, just by looking at this is priced way more than $5.97. It just so happened that it was sitting on top of a wrong price code, but they did honor it, or he was just too lazy to find the right tag for this, and I ended up buying it. Okay, so this is the Gerber. So what's the actual name? Because you can't find it. Gerber 06 Fast Assisted Opening Clip Folding Knife, Coyote Brown. Oh. So what's unique about it is this: you slide this. Okay. Ah, it's fast, yeah. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching.